Okay, I explained so many points. SNR level, SNR level, a strong SNR, rejection, and a trend, and strong buyers and sellers area, and buyers and sellers entry points in trend, buyers and sellers entry point, and a continuation and reversal candlesticks in the market. So by applying all these points, we can easily predict the next candlestick. So I will show you how to trade on Forex. If you want to trade on Forex, I will show you now how to trade on Forex, and I will explain about entry points in Forex. So there are so many strategies in Forex, but we no need to follow those all strategies. If we apply some or very few strategies, then we can easily get some profit. And you can apply these all strategies to on Forex. The reversal and continuation signs also you can apply on Forex, and strong buyers and sellers area also, and entry points also you can apply the entry point also in Forex. I will show you now how to use these points while trading on Forex. Okay, if the trend is downtrend, okay, this is a support level. Okay. This is a support level. Here the trend is downtrend. Okay, the market reversed. Again, it tried to break this level. Finally, it broke the level. Okay, now the trend is in downtrend. Okay, again, if the market will retest this support level. So if you get any hammer candlestick or a spinning top candlestick or a inverted hammer candlestick at this area, the color is not a matter. So this is a sign of the continuation of this trend, and this is a sign of reversal at this SNR level. This is a support level previously. So the market retested this level. Again, it rejected from sellers. It means sellers are interested at this support level. So the market may take this level as a resistance now. And this is a reversal sign at this SNR level. And the trend is downtrend. So we can take this candle as a continuation of this downtrend, reversal of this SNR level. So here we are seeing a confirmation to follow this trend again, to go with this trend or to go against this minor uptrend. We have one confirmation here. So we need additional confirmation. We need additional confirmation to go with, to enter into the market on Forex. Okay, if you get any candle like this, okay, this is we need a new low in the market to enter into the market. New low, if you see the candle closing point is below the previous candle opening price, if the candle is a bullish candle, or if the candle is a if the candle is a bearish candle, if the candle is a bearish candle, so we need a additional candle like this or like this. The candle closing point is must be below the previous candle closing point. So if the candle closing point is below the previous closing point, then we can enter here. This is our entry point, and above this wick is our stop loss point. Just above this wick or at this wick, it will be your stop loss point. This is your entry point. So you can exit from the market if there is any strong reversal point in the market. Okay? If this is a strong reversal point, you can exit from the market here. Okay, this is a trial. You can check this market here. If you get any reversal sign or any strong rejection from this level, you can exit with some small profit. Or if there is no strong enough confirmation here, you can continuously go with the trend until to next level. If there is any strong reversal point, you can exit from the market with some profit. You can exit from this level too, because this is a reversal point. You can exit from this level too. But if you get any confirmations, any rejections, or any strong reversal, you can exit from the market with some profit here. If there is no confirmation, you can continuously go with the trend until the market reach the next level, next reversal point. So here you can get any candle. If you get any candle here, any 9 candles, you can apply the same strategy. Any 9 candles, or if you get any engulfing candle here, and wait, I will show you. Okay, if you get any engulfing candle like this, so the engulfing candle is showing us the market wants to go down. So the market will continue because of this strong seller's entry at the previous SNR level. So this is a confirmation that the market wants to go down. So we can go with sellers, but we need additional confirmation, the next candle, which will close below the previous candle closing point. Then we can enter into the market. We can exit from the next strong reversal point. If there is any strong reversal point, we can exit from the market with some profit. Or if the market is in ranging, if the market is in ranging like this, if the market is in ranging like this, then you need to draw a SNR level like this, a SNR level like this. Okay, a SNR level. Okay, this is a resistance level, this is a support level. So if you get any reversal sign at this area, you already know this is a reversal point. If you get any reversal sign here, you can enter into the market, but you need additional confirmation. I already told you the additional candle. The next candle will, if the next candle closed above the previous candle closing point, then you can enter into the market, and the next exit point is here. If you enter here, the next exit point is here. If you enter here, the next exit point is here. This is your entry point with the sellers. This is your exit point. This is your entry point. This is your exit point. And this is your entry point. This is your next exit point. So these are the entry points. These are the exit points. So you need to observe the market too. If market reversed in the middle of the trend like this, I already told you, if the market reversed in the middle of the trend, it will easily break this level. So it may go more up. So if the market reversed in the middle of the trend like this, then exit from the market with some profit. Okay. If this is your entry point, right? Okay, if you find any reversal candle here, if you find any reversal candle here, so you can enter if you get another bullish candle like this, you can enter here. So below this wick is your stop loss point. This is your take profit point. So you can exit from the market with some profit from this level. So always you need a additional confirmation. You need another bullish candle to enter into the market. You need another bearish candle here to enter into the market. So without confirmation, we can't trust this reversal sign. We need additional confirmation too, because we need to trade for the long term, or at least for 5 hours, 10 hours like this. So we need to predict the market for the long term. That's why we need additional confirmation to enter into the market. And I will give you some patterns here. Okay, here. Okay, these all candles. Okay, these are the engulfing candle. In the downtrend, if you get any engulfing candle, this is your entry point, this is your stop loss point, and the next level will be your take profit point. And here also bearish engulfing, you need additional confirmation, then you can enter with sellers from this level. This is your take profit point, and this will be your stop loss point. So always you need additional confirmation. Here also you need another candle to enter into the market. Here also, if the candle made a new high like this, then you can enter, even the candle is a bearish candle after this morning star pattern. Right. So here also 3 white shoulders, you need additional confirmation with new high, then you can enter into the market. If there is no new high, or if there is no new closing point above the previous candle, then you can't enter into the market. It means the market may reverse. So it may reverse at any time, so you can't enter into the market. So any patterns, if you see these patterns, you want to trade with these patterns, you can enter into the market only. You can use this pattern only at resistance level. You can use this pattern only at support level. You can't use this pattern in the middle of the trend. These are the patterns which will help you to trade at the SNR level only. But if you get another candle like this after this pattern, then you can enter. It will be your stop loss point. The next level will be your take profit point. So any pattern, you need additional candle to enter into the market. These are the same. Okay, here also a hanging man candle. If this is a resistance level, if this is a support, if this is a resistance level, a reversal sign, a additional confirmation, then you can enter on the next candle. It will be your take profit point. Here also you can enter here. It will be your entry point. You can't enter with this confirmation. This is a confirmation. You need additional confirmation to go with sellers. Here also at future tops, you need additional confirmation here, then you can enter into the market. So you can use these patterns, you can use these all patterns with additional confirmation. Without confirmation, you can't use these patterns on Forex. And you can't use these patterns on binary options, because sometimes you may get some losses, because these are the Forex patterns, not a binary patterns. And here also, if you see this type of movement in the market, if you get any breakout, you can enter, but after breakout, you need to wait for the market to reverse. Again, if you get any confirmation on any reversal from this level, you can go with buyers. at this area, not here, not after breakout. You can't enter after breakout directly. If the breakout is real breakout, you need to wait for the market to go up. Again, if the market come down, again if the market reverse from this level, then you can enter with buyers for long term. And here also. So after breakout, you can't trade directly because the breakouts are fake breakouts. Mostly the breakouts are fake breakouts. So you can't enter into the market. And here also, after breakout, you need to wait for the market to come again to this level. If market reversed again from the same level, then you can enter into the market. And I will show you how to apply these patterns in forex on it. Just a minute. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, this is 1-day chart, and here also a 1-day chart. So if you want to trade, you can trade at the entry points or at the strong buyers and sellers areas, and at the SNR level with confirmation with the reversal candlesticks too. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so I will show you here. Okay, you can see here the market. We can't enter into the market because the market is a bad market here. Because so many doji candlestick, so many wicks in the market, a weak movement in the market. So sometimes we are seeing a doji candlesticks also. Okay, no movement in the market. Yeah, this is a bad market. But if you want to enter into the market, you can draw a trend line. If you draw a trend line, then you will come to know the entry point clearly. Okay, here there is a seller's entry point. There is a seller's entry point, and the trend also a downtrend. This is a seller's entry point, and we need to see the buyer's entry point too. Okay, here we are seeing a buyer's entry point. Okay, a buyer's entry point here, buyer's entry point. So this is the buyer's entry point. This is a seller's entry point. So if you want to enter here, right, okay, if you want to enter here, I will draw. Okay, I have drawn only closing points here. You can draw the wicks too, because in this week we are seeing buyer's entry and seller's entry, but in this body we are seeing buyers directly. That's why I have drawn this line with the help of closing points. Okay, here we are seeing entry points here, seller's entry, but the closing point is here. This is not valid. So from this level, I have drawn this level. Okay, a seller's entry, again a seller's entry, and a reversal sign. So we can expect a seller's entry again from this level. Okay, a seller's entry in the market. A seller's entry in the market. So we can enter with sellers. The candle closed at the level with rejection. So we can enter with sellers on the next candle directly. So if you want to place a stop loss point, it will be your stop loss point, because we are seeing a reversal, a fake breakout, again a reversal. So this will be your stop loss point above this, not here, okay, this level, above this level or above this level will be your stop loss point. So you can enter with sellers here. If the candle closed below the level with rejection, you can enter here because this is a seller's entry points. So it will be your entry point. The next exit point will be here because we already know buyer's entry, buyer's entry. If the market hit this level, the buyers may enter at any time. So you can exit from the market from this level. But if you observe the market here, if you observe the market, in this area we are seeing buyer's entry, again a buyer's entry, but here we are seeing a breakout candlestick. So we can enter with buyers from this level directly. You can enter with buyers and you can exit from the market on the next entry point. But after this candle, again we are seeing a seller's entry. It means with strong buying pressure means the market may easily break this level. So it's better to exit immediately after this entry point. You can enter here at this level directly, but if you see this candle, it's better to exit from the market. And so this is not valid entry point, but here we are seeing the next buyer's entry is here. So the buyers changed their entry point from this level to this level. So our entry point will be here now. Okay, this is the entry point now. Okay, you can see the buyers changed their entry point here. This one also the buyer's entry point. So here the next level is here. So the buyers are here, the buyers are here, and the buyers are here. If the market come to this level, we can enter with buyers. Or if the market closed at the level with rejection, we can enter with buyers directly. Okay, 1 minute I will show you. Okay, I will draw line here. And here also seller's entry point. Yeah, this is the seller's entry point. This is the buyer's entry point. Okay, the buyer's entry and seller's entry will be our exit points and our entry points too. So here a seller's entry, a seller's entry. So we can enter with sellers here. A buyer's entry, a buyer's entry. We can enter with buyers here, but we are seeing a breakout candlestick, so we can't enter with buyers. So a buyer's entry, a buyer's entry. We are seeing the buyer change their entry point here. So this will be our entry point now. By seeing these 3 points, we can enter with buyers from this level because here we are seeing the candle closing point is above the level with rejection. The rejection is showing us the buyer's entry in the market. So if you want to enter here, this will be your below this point will be your stop loss point. You can, this is your entry point and your exit point will be here. Yeah, this is your entry point. Yeah, this is your entry point, this is your exit point. And here also seller's entry, seller's entry. This is your entry point, this is your exit point. And this is your entry point and this is your exit point. And again the market come to this level. So you can enter again. You have an opportunity again. So this will be your entry point. So here the market reversed, again it reversed. So you can exit from the market immediately to stop your losses. If the market reversed in the middle of the trend, so you can exit from the market with some losses or with some profit. Then again you can enter if you see any reversal sign at this level. So this is your entry point. It will be your exit point. This is your entry point. It will be your exit point. Again, this is your entry point, and after this entry point, this will be your exit point. So if market hit this level, you can exit from the market, but you are seeing the market reversed without touching this level. Very huge rejection from buyers. It means the market may go up because of this buying pressure. So because of this level, because of this round number, the market is respecting this round number. So you may exit from the market with some profit here, because this is not a continuous sign, because the market is respecting this round number here. Here also, here also, here also, here also, here also. The market is respecting this round number. So we are seeing a huge buying pressure. So the market may go up again. So you can exit from the market after seeing this candle. This is not a continuation sign because of this level, because of this round number. This is not a continuation sign. So you can enter here by seeing this huge rejection, by seeing the closing point of this candle. With the help of this round number, you can exit from the market with some profit here. So you can see now the seller changed their entry point from here to here. Now the sellers are here. We are seeing a uptrend in the market. So let's change the levels to, okay, here the entry point, the seller changed their entry point. So the entry points are here. The sellers entry points are here, and the buyers entry points are here. So the buyers, we are seeing a buyer's entry, but the closing point is not at the buyer's area, so we can't go with buyers. Here the closing point is at the buyer's area. There is a rejection. We can enter here. This is your entry point, and it will be your take profit point. But again, we are seeing the market broke this level. After these two candles, we are seeing a bearish candle again. It means the market, the buyers are not interested here. So you can exit from the market here with some losses. And this is our entry point. You can see two entry points, but there is no entry point here because the candle closed at the level with rejection. The candle closed at the level like this. Then we can enter with sellers, but there is no entry point. If you want, you can enter directly. If market touch this level, you can enter directly too, but it's very risky. The candle closed at the level, then you can enter on the next candle. Okay, and there is no movement here. Okay, let's change the level here. Okay. So here we are seeing a seller's entry points, buyer's entry points, a seller's entries, buyer's entries. Right. Okay. Seller's entry and buyer's entry. So this is a buyer's entry, again a buyer's entry. We are seeing a reversal sign. We can enter with buyers here. So below this line will be our stop loss point, and this will be our exit point because we know this is a seller's entry point. If you see these two seller's entries, you can enter here. This will be your exit point because you know this is a buyer's area. So here we have one opportunity, two opportunities to get some profit because this is one day chart. Okay, let's change the level here. Okay, there is no level here. We are seeing a level, a buyer's entry, but this is not a right opportunity. You will get some loss here. If you get some loss, immediately exit from the market. Then you no need to wait for the market. So here also, here we have a opportunity here. Okay, here we have an opportunity. Okay, here we have an opportunity. A seller's entry, again a seller's entry. We can enter with sellers from this level because there is a rejection. The candle closing point is above the level, and our exit point will be here. Okay, the exit point will be here because we are seeing a buyer's entries here. Buyer's entry. So it will be our exit point. So we will get some small profit. It will also very huge profit. Now we are seeing the sellers change their entry point from this level to this level. Now the seller's entry is here. Seller's entry, again a seller's entry. So after this level, we can enter with sellers. This will be our entry point. The seller's entry. So this is our entry point. It will be our exit point. And this is our entry point. If you see seller's entry, buyer's entry, this is our entry point. It will be our exit point. This is our entry point. This is our exit point. This is our entry point. This is our exit point. We are seeing a breakout candlestick, so we can't enter into the market. If you see any breakout candlestick, it's better to wait for the market. Okay, here we have an opportunity, but here we may get loss. So a small losses, it's not a big issue. You don't need to worry about this type of small losses. And here, I think okay, there is a entry point. I think there is no entry point is here. Okay, there is no opportunity. Here we have an opportunity, but we are seeing a breakout candlestick. Again, we may lose our trade. So there is no opportunity here. Okay, let's see the opportunity again. Okay, here we have an opportunity. A seller's entry points and a buyer's entry points. So if you see these two entry points, we can enter here. This is your entry point, and this is your take profit point. At this level, it will be your take profit point because we are seeing a buyer's entry is here. Now the buyer's entry is here. The previous buyer's entry is here. Now we are seeing a buyer's entry here. So buyer's entry. So we can enter with buyers here if the candle closed above the level, but we are seeing a breakout candlestick. But still we have opportunity here to enter because still we are seeing sellers entries. This will be our stop loss point. This will be our take profit point because we are seeing a buyer's entries in the market. So the buyers may enter. If the buyers will enter, we may lose our trade. So this will be our take profit point. So here we have one opportunity and the another opportunity. So we'll get some good profit here. And let's see. And we are seeing a reversal sign also. So if you want to trade, you can trade with this reversal sign. There is a reversal sign. After this reversal sign also, you can enter here and here also. So after this reversal signs also, you can enter into the market. It's not an issue. So if you want to trade, you can trade on the next candle directly. If you see any rejection, here the candle closing point is below the level. With rejection, the rejection is showing us the seller's entry in the market. So you can enter on the next candle directly. Or if you get any reversal sign like this, then also you can enter. There is no difference. You can enter with confirmations, reversal signs, or you can enter directly on the next candle. Okay. So let's see any opportunity here. So here we have an opportunity, but we may lose our trade here. And I think we have an opportunity here. So we have an opportunity here, but we are seeing a breakout candlestick. It's better to avoid. If you get any breakout candlestick, then avoid to trade. I think here we have an opportunity on it. Okay. Okay, here there is a support level. Okay, there is no touch. Here we are seeing a reversal point, and here also we are seeing a reversal point. We can enter into the market on the next candle here, but we are seeing a strong bullish momentum. It's better to avoid. If you want to enter, you can enter here. Above this candle will be your, above this level will be your stop loss point. And if you see the market here, I think there is no opportunity here. Yeah, here there is an opportunity, a reversal point in the market, a reversal point, a reversal candle, again it reversed, again we are seeing a reversal candle. So we can enter here, the rejection point and a reversal point will be our take profit point. You can exit from the market here by seeing these two levels. This is your entry point. And here, so if you see any strong bullish momentum, then avoid to trade at the levels because it may give you a losing trade. It may break the level very easily if you see any strong bullish momentum. And I think I will draw from this level. Okay, if you observe the market here, we are seeing a buyer's entry point. Buyer's entry, a buyer's entry, again a buyer's entry. So we can enter with buyers here. Again, we can enter with buyers here for one candle, and we can enter with buyers here. We can enter with buyers, again a buyers. So these are the buyers entry points. We can enter with buyers only. You can't go with seller. You can't enter with sellers because the trend is uptrend. We are seeing bullish momentum. So we can go with buyers only here. We can't go with sellers. So in this trend, if you draw a trend line like this, so then you can enter with buyers. Buyers entry. You can enter with buyers here. Here also, here also, here also you can enter with buyers. Here also you can enter with buyers. Here also you can enter with buyers because the trend is uptrend, very strong bullish momentum. Okay, here we are seeing a flat market. Okay, here also we have opportunity. Okay, if you draw this trend line here, if you draw this trend line, then you will get some entry points. These are the entry points here. Okay, these are the entry points. A seller's entry. There is a reversal sign and a rejection. The candle closed below the level. So you can enter here on the next candle. This is your entry point. Above this wick will be your stop loss point and it will be your take profit point. If the market hit this level, then exit from the market. And here also a reversal sign. So you can enter here. It will be your exit point because you know this is a seller's area. So there is no rejection. It means the market may break the level. So it's better to avoid. If you want to trade, you can enter directly without any confirmation on the next candle. And it will be your exit point. So if you see these two entry points, you can enter here. If you see these two entry points, you can enter here. Entry point, exit point, entry point, exit point, entry point, exit point. So again, you can enter, but we are seeing a breakout candlestick. Okay, and if you see the market here, the sellers again changed their entry point here. Here we are seeing a seller's entries, and there is no buyer's entries, I think. Okay, a seller's entries and a buyer's entries. Seller's entry, again a seller's entry. So the candle closing point is far from the level, we can't enter here, but here you can enter if the candle closed just below the level with rejection. You can enter on the next candle, it will be your stop take profit point. Here we are seeing a reversal sign and a weak seller's entry, so it will be our entry point, it will be our stop loss point. This will be our entry point, this will be our take profit point. Here we are seeing a breakout candlestick, so there is no opportunity. So if you see these two levels, you can get the third point here. If you see these 2 points, this will be your entry point, you can get some profit here. And okay, there is no proper movement in the market here, so there is no opportunity now. So if you get any opportunity, then you will enter into the market with the help of entry points, with the help of reversal signs too. Or if there is any strong buyers and sellers areas, then you can enter into the market if you get any confirmation. So you can expect long-term reversal too from the buyers, strong buyers and sellers areas too. But if you want to trade at the strong buyers and sellers area, you have to draw the entire level to enter into the market. Okay, this is a level, actual level is here. Okay, this is a level, there is a breakout candlestick, breakout of this previous strong buyers area. So you can enter here. You can exit from the market here because this is a strong sellers area. This is a strong sellers area. You can exit if market hit this level, then you can exit with some profit here. There is a breakout candlestick. If you get any confirmation, you can enter here. If you get any confirmation from 1 hour or 2 hours, then you can enter here because the level is a strong buyers area. This is a strong buyers area. You can enter here after breakout, or you can enter here if there is any strong rejection or if there is any reversal point. So you can trade on forex like this with the help of entry points. If you draw the entry points, then it will be very easy to enter into the market. If you enter into the market, if you enter into the market, then it will take 5 to 7 days or 10 days to get some good profit. If you enter with $10, 1 minute. Okay, here, and there is no opportunity here. What I will show you. Okay, here. Okay, here. So at this type of situations, if you enter with $10 here, if you enter with $10 here, after this 1, 2, 3, 4 days, you will get more than $50, more than $100 within these 4 days. If you enter here after this for 5 days, you will get more than $100 profit. So you will get more than 500% or more than 1000% profit after this trade. After closing of this trade, you will get more than 1000% because this is a day candle. This is 1 day candle chart. So you will get more than 1000% profit if you enter with $10 here. So if you enter, if you trade 4 to 5 trades per month, you will get for some huge amount like $300 like this with only $10 or $20 investment. So this is very huge amount. If once you get the good profit, then you can invest $50 per trade or $100 per trade. Then you will get some good profit too if you want to trade on Forex. But you have to practice more it on demo account to get idea on this Forex trading. So these are the entry point. By applying the entry points, you can enter into the market. If you enter at the seller's entry point, the buyer's entry point will be your stop loss point, the exit point. If you enter at the buyer's entry point, the seller's entry point will be your take profit point. Okay, this way you can trade on Forex. If you want to trade with patterns, you need another candle to enter into the market. Okay, this is the topic about Forex. If you have any doubts on this topic, you can ask me
now. Sir?
Yes?
Could you explain about the time frame? What is the best time frame and the stop loss? How to set the stop loss?
So, if you want to make a stop loss, always see the price action on the left side. Because if you see a price action on the left side, then the market can't break that level, so it will reverse immediately. And let's check the level here. Okay, here. So here there is a price action, right? A reversal point in the market, and here also. So here we have two levels here. So we can apply these two levels, whatever the level is, we can apply here. So our stop loss will be just above the price action point. So here there is a level, but the level is at the level, so we can't take this point as a stop loss point. But there is a previous price action point, previous reversal point, so the market can't break the level easily. So above this line, just above this line will be our stop loss point. If you make this point as a stop loss point, then the market can't break the level, it will reverse again without touching the level, or after touching this level also it will reverse. So you can't get loss if you make this point as a stop loss point. And here also, if you want to enter here, so you need to see the previous price action here. I will show you. Okay. This point, and okay, here there is a strong reversal point. Okay, this is a strong reversal point. So you should place just below this line as your stop loss point. If you make this below this level as a stop loss point, then you no need to worry about loss. So always see the strong price action on the left side, then make your stop loss point below the previous reversal point. And here also, here we are seeing a strong reversal point on it. Yeah, this is a strong reversal point. So if you want to enter here, this will be your stop loss point, or this will be your stop loss point. This is your take profit point. Okay. Yes.
میکروفونتون رو خاموش کنید آقای. میکروفونتون رو خاموش کنید. One day time frame.
I explained it on 1 day time frame. You can apply the same point on 1 hour time frame too. Okay, there is no difference.
Okay.
for short-term trade.
Yes. And do you recommend us to, if we want to trade on Forex, do you recommend us to trade on the brokers like Olim Trade or IQ Option, or is there another broker like FXTM or something like that to trade?
You can trade on Olympic Trade too. It's not a problem. But I will recommend you to trade on XM Trader, Alperi, XM like this.
Okay.
Okay. It is also very good. You can also trade on Olympic Trade IQ Option too. It's not a problem. There is no difference.
Thank you.
Okay.
بچه‌ها سوالی دارین؟
من یه سوال داشتم آقای شیستاوا.
بفرمایید.
البته به این بحث ربطی نداره. من مشکلم ایشون فکر کنم دیشب گفتن من خوندن کندل ها رو به صورت هایر لو و هایر های هم به شما یاد میدم، درسته؟
خب راجع به فارکس سوال بکنید، اونو بذارین آخر جلسه. اگه راجع به این مبحث سوال دارین بپرسین.
نه راجع به این مبحث فکر نکنم. تنها سوالی که دارم فکر میکنم این به اصطلاح استراتژی و سبک کاریشون در فارکس بیشتر به درد اسکالپرها میخوره، درسته؟
My friend says that the strategy you are actually teaching us how to trade on Forex is good for the beginners, right?
Yes, not only for beginners. For experienced people also you can apply the same strategy. You no need to follow so many strategies. Okay, this is very simple strategy. It will be very good to get some good profit, right? If you know the entry points, then you can enter. If you know the exit point, then you can exit. It's very simple, right?
Right.
You no need to follow so many strategies. It will confuse you. This is very simple and good strategy, right? Okay. Is there anyone to ask me questions?
Okay, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Okay, just wanted to ask that, is there any way that we can predict when the market is going to consolidate? Because if you're going to take the impulsive moves or even the corrective moves, but sometimes the market consolidates, and if we consider the spread, we will lose at the end. So is there any way to predict when the market falls into consolidation?
1 minute, I will tell you something. I will show you. Look at this one. Yeah, here there is a consolidation area. And here also there is a consolidation area. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, here also there is a consolidation area. So if you see any small ranging market or a consolidation area in the market, then draw the two areas like this. Then avoid to trade when market is in between these two lines. Then avoid to trade. Okay. Then you will escape from the consolidation area. Okay. This is very simple point. If you see any consolidation area, draw the whole area. Then avoid to trade. If the market is in between these two lines, then avoid to trade. Okay. There are more chances to make a consolidation area again. Okay.
Okay, so let's get a double confirmation. So you mean that I should go to the past of the market and put a support and resistance lines whenever I see a consolidation area?
No, you no need to see past of the market. Just see the left side on the past history. 1 minute like this. 1 minute I will show you. Okay, here. Yeah, first, if you see any price action on the left side with consolidation area like this, if the market is now here, then don't trade. Okay, just see on the left side, right? You don't need to see the past history. And here also we are seeing a type of consolidation area. Then avoid to trade. Okay, if market is in between these two levels, these two lines, then avoid to trade. Okay.
I got you. Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, is there anyone?
ببخشید می‌خواستم بدونم برای تایم فریم کوچیک‌تر از دیلی اگه بخوایم ترید کنیم چه تایمی رو پیشنهاد میکنن؟ 1 ساعته یا
My friend got a question.
Yes.
He said if you want to trade on, for example, 1 hour time frame or the others, what's your recommendation? Less than 1 day.
You can trade on 1 hour minimum. Trade on 1 hour chart. Okay, if you want to trade, you can use 4 hour, 1 day, 7 days too. Okay? If you want to trade as a scalper, then you can use 15 minutes, 10 minutes too for short term trades, like 1 hour trading 1 minute. If you want to trade with 15 minutes, you can predict. If you predict 4 candles, then it will be a 1 hour time frame. It will be good to trade with some small profit. Like if you invest $10, you will get $1 like this. But I will recommend you to trade with long term, like 1 day, 7 days like this. Then you will get a huge profit. If your investment will be a small, but your profit will be very big. Always invest small amount and target big amount. You no need to invest thousands of dollars to get profit. Just invest small amount and target big. Okay.
Got it.
Okay, thank you.
And do one thing, and always trade with profits. If you get $10 with $10, then withdraw this $10 and try it with this profit. Then you no need to worry. Even if you lost this $10, you no need to worry about loss, because this is your profit, right? Again, you have another opportunity to deposit. But if you trade with these $20, if you lost $20, you will worry definitely, because you lost your amount too. You have to invest again to trade. So it will bother you. You will get some emotions. Because of emotions, you may lose your trades too. So always, if you are in profit, then immediately withdraw your capital amount, your investment amount, then trade with profit always. And tomorrow I will take one class on money management. I will give you some money management tips. Then you will get some idea. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
بچه‌ها سوال دارین؟
با آخراش نزدیک میشیم آقای شیرزاد. ازش بپرسید که آیا اون کندل ها رو به صورت هایر لو و هایر های به ما یاد میدن؟
My friend got a question, but it's not related to this topic.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, he said that would you please teach us how to predict the candles?
How to predict the candles? Hello. Mortaja, are there?
Hello.
Yes.
Morta.
What happened, Shiranga?
Mortaza is disconnected.
Okay, no problem. Can anyone speak English here? Can anyone tell me his
back.
question? Yes, Mortaja. Yes, tell me.
Yes. Did you get the question?
No. Tell me again.
Last session you told us something about the higher high and the higher low,
Yes.
or lower low,
Yes,
or
yes.
yes. And my friend actually wanted me to ask you, would you please teach us
Higher lows, higher highs. Right?
Sorry?
You want me to teach about higher highs and higher lows?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. I will take one class tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
On this topic, okay?
Thank you. ما میگن فردا تدریس میکنن.
دستش در نکنه. خیلی ممنون.
بچه‌ها سوال دارین؟
خیلی ممنون.
No question here.
Okay,
No
very
question,
good.
sir.
So always observe the market and try to draw the entry points with trend line. Then you will get how to enter in the market. Then you will come to know what is the entry point, what is the exit point. The buyer's entry point, if the buyer's entry point is your entry point, the seller's entry point will be your exit point. Always remember this point, and you can check the market on 1 hour or 1 day to observe the market, try to predict the entry points, then you will get some idea, and try to trade on demo account to test this strategy. Then you will come to know then you will get some idea on this point. And if you get any doubts, any questions, then you can contact me. Okay, I'm going to close this session. We will have class tomorrow on money management, and I will explain about higher highs and higher lows too. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
bye,
you.
everyone. Good night, everyone.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you, sir.
Have a good night.
Good night. Welcome.
Thank you.